Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your bank deposits using Chase Business Online, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser. Go to the Chase Business Online homepage. Log in with your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Accounts tab on the top menu. Click on the Accounts tab to expand the options. Find the account where you want to update deposits. Select the desired account from the list. Look for the Deposits section on the account page. Click on the Deposits link to view your current deposits. To add a new deposit, click on the Add Deposit button. Fill in the required details for the deposit. This includes the deposit amount and any relevant notes. Make sure to check the date of the deposit. Once all information is entered, review it for accuracy. When you're ready, click the Submit button. After submission, you will see a confirmation message. This message indicates that your deposit has been successfully updated. You can return to the Deposits section to verify the update. Make sure to log out of your account when finished for security. Close your browser when you're done. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.